Hello guys, welcome to my channel. F is here to help you with your data analytics journey. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write SQL statement using MySQL. If you have not installed it on your computer yet, you can watch my video here and install it on your computer easily. But before getting started writing SQL statement, let's learn some concepts. You might get this question, what is a database? A database is a collection of data stored electronically in a computer system, which you can have easily access to them and alter them, doing some actions like creating, deleting, and updating your data within a database. There are some types of databases. The two most common type of them are relational and non-relational databases. In relational databases, data stores within columns and rows, which are tables, and tables have relationship with each other. This relationship can be defined by a key concept, which I'll explain in my further topics. Because of this relationship, we call them relational databases. And in non-relational databases, data can be stored in any format but not tables, like documents, graph, key values, and column family, which stores data within columns. Eventually, we need a query language to manage and manipulate our data. For relational databases, we use SQL, and for non-relational databases, we use different language called NoSQL, meaning not only SQL. And in this series, we only work with relational databases, and our query language is SQL. And now we want to know what is SQL. SQL is an acronym meaning a structured query language, and we use it for creating, reading, updating, and deleting data within a database. We also need a workspace to write our SQL statements, a specific piece of software to do that, known as Database Management System, or DBMS. There are some DBMS out there, and the three most common of them are MySQL, MySQL Server, and Oracle. In this series, we only work with MySQL. You can watch my video in the description and install it on your computer if you have not installed it yet. I'm going to show you how to create, alter, and drop a database. Just open your MySQL Workbench. Click on Local Instance to connect your MySQL server. Here you go. Here is query window that you can write SQL statements here. To create a database, we need three words: create, database, and then the unique name for your database. MySQL is not case sensitive. You can write all letters uppercase or all lowercase, or you could write the first letter uppercase and the rest lowercase. But I would like to write all letters uppercase. This is just me. You can choose whatever you want. So we need this keyword create, and then database, and then a unique name for your database. How about MyDB? You need to end your statement with a semicolon, showing your statement is complete, like period at the end of a sentence. you need to add a semicolon at the end of your statement, and then execute your statement by hitting this light button and this green check box here showing your action was successful. And now if you go to Schemas tab and hit this refresh button, you'll see your database you have just created, MyDB. And this sys here is internal database that MySQL uses. To use your database that you have just created, you have two options. You can either right-click on your database and click on Set as Default Schema. Now you see that MySQL uses MyDB as internal database. Or you have another option by writing statements. You can type either use and then the name of your database, MyDB, semicolon, and then execute this statement. Now, MySQL uses the database you have just created. Also, we can drop a database by using this keyword drop and then database and then the name of your database, MyDB, semicolon, and execute your statement. Now, if you hit this refresh button here, you cannot see the database you previously created. The only database here is sys, which is internal database for MySQL. We need to create database again because in this video we need a database. So I just type create database and then the name of your database and semicolon. Execute this statement. Yeah. The action was successful. And for alter a database, we have these options for beginners. You can set your database to be read only. Let's do that. You can type alter database, the name of your database, and then type read only equals 1 semicolon. When you execute this statement, you'll see the action was successful. When you execute this statement, you cannot make any modification on your database. If you want to drop it, let's see what happened. If I type drop database and then the name of your database and execute it, you'll see this red X here showing the action wasn't successful. It says schema MyDB is in read-only mode. So as it is in read-only mode, you cannot make any modification. So you need to set read-only equal to 0 if you want to make modification on your database. So let's write it. Alter database, the name of your database, then read only equal 0 semicolon, and then execute this statement. Now if you want to drop your database, you can do that. Let's see. Drop database, the name of your database. And now if you execute it, and if you hit this refresh button, you'll see you have not that database you previously created. You only have sys database here. All right. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to support me by hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. Appreciate it.